In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export lists and reports from QuickBooks in CSV format and then import them into Xero using their import tools. Whether you're transitioning from QuickBooks to Xero or just need to transfer specific data, understanding this process will streamline your workflow and help ensure a smooth transition. Let's dive right in. First, let's tackle exporting data from QuickBooks. Begin by opening QuickBooks on your computer and logging in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Reports section of QuickBooks. Within this section, you'll find a variety of lists and reports that you can export. Identify the specific report you need. It could be a profit and loss report, a balance sheet report, or even transaction lists. Once you've chosen the report, look for the Export button, typically located in the top right corner of the report window. After clicking Export, you'll be presented with a few options. For our purposes, you'll want to choose Export to Excel, as this is the format we will convert to CSV. Now, with your data in Excel format, you need to save your file as a CSV. Open the file in Excel, then go to File and click on Save As. Make sure to choose CSV, delimited as the file format. This format is particularly useful because it's compatible with many different software programs, including Xero. After saving your file as a CSV, you've successfully exported your data from QuickBooks. Next, let's move on to importing this data into Xero. First, you'll need to log into your Xero account. Once logged in, look for the Accounting tab on your dashboard, which is your gateway to various importing tools. Click on Import, and you'll see several import options. Xero supports a wide range of data imports, including contacts, invoices, and bank transactions, to name just a few. For this demonstration, let's assume you're importing simple transaction data. Click on the relevant import option. You'll be prompted to upload your file. Choose the CSV file you just exported from QuickBooks. After selecting your file, take a moment to review the column mapping. This step is crucial to ensure that the data fields from your CSV align correctly with the fields in Xero. Xero typically does an excellent job at auto-mapping these fields, but it's always a good idea to double-check. Once you're satisfied with the column mapping, proceed to import the data. Xero will process your file and then provide feedback on the import results. Take a moment to review any errors or